Hey guys, it's Helena. So today I wanted to talk about my experience using these reusable period pads or reusable panty liners and kind of my experience using them and what I think about them. So I actually purchased this from the Package Free shop and the brand is called Glad Rags. And basically they make a bunch of reusable pads, so this is the panty liner size, but they also have ones that are bigger, like longer, for just a replacement for regular pads, or even extra long ones if you need them at night. Basically these are made from 100% organic cotton. There's a little label there, and it's really awesome because you have this snap right here, and this is how you snap it onto your underwear. Just as a little demo, yeah, so this is your underwear and you would literally just snap it on like this. So it looks like that from like the other side, and that and like this from the inside. So yeah, I really wanted to try out these reusable panty liners because since I use the Diva Cup, I sometimes wear it with my Thinx period panties or just with a panty liner as another form of like protection from any spotting or leakage from the cup. They definitely felt bulkier than, say, the disposable panty liners, but overall it's soft and comfortable. And it wasn't, you know, bothersome or irritating at all. Something that I liked about this more so than the period panties is that this one seemed to dry pretty quickly overnight and it would be like ready to reuse in the morning, so that was definitely another plus. So it definitely does stain a little bit, but I guess because I haven't used it that many times yet, it hasn't gotten super dirty. After you wear it and, you know, say it gets dirty, you can just put it in the sink or hand wash it with cold water, and that's what I did, and actually got the stain out pretty great because as you can see right now, it's pretty, you know, it's clean. So after I wore it and washed it for the first time by hand, I realized that it was a little less snug, like when I clipped it, when I snapped it onto my underwear. So yeah, that was kind of the only issue that I had with it. And I think to fix that, I might just hand sew another snap like on the inside so that it can be a tighter fit for the next time I use it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps give you a better idea of what using a reusable pad is like. And if you end up trying it, please let me know. Thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below, and see you next time. Bye!